Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a request a quote form to your WordPress website. So let's get right into it. Now, you can use one of the many plugins that are available, and I'm going to show you which ones to search for. So if we go here and just type request a quote, there should be a plugin that is exactly like that. So you can use it freely. However, you do need a business plan if you plan on using plugins. So you do need to have a subscription to WordPress. But if you don't have it, then you can easily just think of something on the spot. Now, what you can also do, if I go, for example, into my pages, I'm going to add a new page, which I'm just going to create a form page, and we're going to create a request a quote form here. Now, as you can see, you have all of these page templates. I'm just going to add a blank page, and I'm going to just title it request a form, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a form block. So if we go to form, you can just insert a form from here, and now we have our form, and you can use it as a contact form, RSVP form, registration form. Use whichever one of these is best for you, pretty much. And let's see, request a form, click generate. We might be able to generate one with AI. However, the request was unclear, so request a quote. So let's try that. It might not still. There we go. As you can see, it is generating our request a quote form. So now we have that, and let me just rename this. And there we go. Now we have sort of a rudimentary request a form page or request a quote page. And as you can see, once you do that, all you need to do is publish the page. And now we have that form on our site. And that is basically all you need to do. Again, I do recommend using the plugins. I don't have the subscription, so I can't, but I do recommend you use them. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.